Okay, so in this video what I'm going to be doing is just showing you how to fix a problem that, well, it's not really a problem, but it's just something that comes up in the Lenovo X240 laptop. When you install Windows 10, what happens is that, I'll show you, you end up installing all the drivers from Windows Update. But what you'll find is there'll be one driver which will be missing, and no matter how much you try with the Windows Update, everything else will be fine. Like the drives will be detected, your Bluetooth and whatever, so everything will work except for this one unknown device which will show up, and you see it'll say there are no compatible drivers for this device. And now what you think is that, well, you know, maybe there isn't, because Microsoft has done their best to find the driver and it just isn't available. And you notice it says it's on Synaptic SMBus driver. That's the location, and the details will be, see, it's ACPI and then it's BCM, so it's actually a Broadcom. So it's a Broadcom device, but it's on a Synaptic's driver, whatever that means. So you'd think it's something to do with the touchpad, but what you'll actually find, that's not the case. And so what I've done is, well, when I tried to fix this problem, it took me a while. And so I thought that since I ended up wasting a lot of time trying to work it out, I'll just give the solution, you know, the easy way. And essentially what you can do to get is, if you go in the browser and just go to my website, and so then when you go there, don't worry about the not secure. If you're using Chrome, it will automatically come up with a certificate. But I'm just doing this just in case someone's coming here with Android 4 or Windows XP, because now that the certificate for Let's Encrypt have their root certificate has expired. If I did this as HTTPS, then someone using a really old computer won't be able to access my website. So if you go to media, and at the moment it's at the top, but if it isn't, I've done some other videos, then you can just search for it. And so when you go in here, obviously this video will be showing up here. And see, I've got this link here. Yeah, I've got it. You can download it here as well. But basically, if you don't trust me, and you want to actually get it from Lenovo's website, or just in case this link goes away for whatever reason, you can just go to that link and it'll take you straight to the file. And as you can see, it is HTTPS and it's Lenovo, so it's the proper file. Or what, legitimate anyway, as legitimate as Lenovo can be. So now if you go to downloads and then we just open it, as you see, it's verified publisher Lenovo, so that's as good as it gets. So if someone breaks in and gets a Lenovo certificate, then yeah, then you would be in trouble for all of their drivers anyway. So notice that it's called the NFC driver, so it's got nothing to do with Synaptics, and it doesn't even say Broadcom, but as far as I can see, the hardware is made by Broadcom. Oh yeah, this is the other thing you gotta watch out for, is it points to the D drive for some weird reason. So if you just click next here, you get an error, so you have to actually browse to a location that makes sense. So, well, just go for your user. Best thing is just desktop. Yeah, so make sure this makes sense, and then the next will work. And you just install it. And so keep that ticking where it says install NFC driver now. And what you can do is you can even see it update in real time. So our unknown device there. So now it's installing, and so now that's installed, and now you notice that there's no more unknown device. So now all the drivers are there, and we've got a fully populated device manager without any question marks. So hopefully someone with an old X240 who's installing Windows 10 will find this video useful.